much for inviting me here today. When looking at the audience, as of course already Monica has mentioned, but I feel good because what is required is the change of mindset, and more men are needed to really understand it. So here, if the number of men are more, I'm very happy about it, because at least the people sitting here will have, change of mindset and understand that it's very important in today's life. Well, the social cultural barriers are very old, as we know. If we remember our old class books, even I don't think it has changed. That it says that the mother is working in the kitchen and the father has gone to the office. So since childhood we learn this theory, that woman is supposed to work in the house and man is supposed to go out and work. And to my surprise, when I was going through a few books, I found Mahatma Gandhi, who has worked so much for women, and he really encouraged women to come forward in all his activities. He also said that the women should come forward for social and religious activities, but stay away from commercial activities. So, our forefathers always believed in a traditional setup of family. And that's the biggest drawback, and that's the biggest mindset which needs to be changed in today's time. Because things have completely changed, the outlooks have changed, the scenario has changed. As I was just sharing with you that we as an entrepreneur face a lot of problems. And I find that those biases is still working today. When I went to my banker first time and I had a television industry, I started manufacturing television in 83, 84. And then I went to the banker and he said, what is your management percentage? And I didn't understand, to be very frank. I didn't know what is management. And I thought I'm capable enough. And I understand everything, I know how to take forward my industry. And then I came and I went back next time and I said, well, I'm a 1% management, that's more than enough. I don't think I require, the other team will come forward and be a part of me, but till that time I'm there. So the biggest issue is whether we go to access to finance or we go for access to mentoring or for inspiration for that. But these are a few issues which are required very much for community development, for women entrepreneurs development, and for that family support is most important. The ultimate importance is family support, because women is always disproportionately working on household chores, because she is taking care of children, she is taking care of home, her family members and everything. Whereas man is totally focusing on work. So this disproportion really doesn't give much time to women to work on. So I think that's where, again, the mindset of men needs to be changed, and I think it starts with the families. Access to finance, of course, is a big issue, because most of the women do not have anything in their names, no properties, no any other financial support. So for that matter, they find a lot of difficulties, and the bankers, again, gender bias, so their outlook is, again, they are very doubtful. Even today, when a startup goes to a banker, if a man is along with her going, he will talk to the men and not to the women, because he always feels that the man knows much better about the industry than a woman knows. So this mindset plays a very big role, and this gender bias is still continuing.